Welcome back to AI PromptTV, the channel where we share the most powerful and practical ChatGPT prompts for every profession. Today, we're diving into the world of accounting. If you're an accountant, a bookkeeper, or even just handling your own business finances, this list is going to save you hours of time. Stick with me until the end because I'll share all 20 prompts and you'll be able to copy and paste the full list straight from the description. Let's get started. Prompt number 1, create a month-end financial checklist for a small business. This gives you a ready-to-go process you can run every single month without missing a step. Prompt number 2, draft a professional email to remind a client about overdue invoices in a polite but firm tone. No more staring at the screen wondering how to word it. Prompt number 3, generate a year-end tax preparation checklist for a freelance consultant. Perfect for making sure nothing slips through the cracks at tax season. Prompt number 4, write an email to explain financial statements to a client in simple language. Because not everyone speaks accountant, and clarity builds trust. Prompt number 5, create a checklist for reconciling bank statements at the end of the month. Straightforward, reliable, and repeatable. Prompt number 6, draft an email to request missing receipts from a client, keeping the tone professional yet friendly. This makes the awkward ask much easier. Prompt number 7, generate a quarterly audit checklist for internal review. A must-have for firms and larger organizations. Prompt number 8, write an email to notify a client about upcoming tax deadlines and what documents they need to provide. Super useful for keeping clients proactive instead of reactive. Prompt number 9, create a checklist for onboarding a new client into accounting software. Smooth onboarding equals smoother business. Prompt number 10, draft a polite follow-up email after sending financial reports to a client, asking if they have any questions. This keeps communication open and professional. Prompt number 11, create a payroll processing checklist for small businesses with under 20 employees. Step-by-step guidance in seconds. Prompt number 12, draft an email to clarify unusual transactions spotted in a client's account. A professional way to ask tough questions. Prompt number 13, generate a checklist for preparing documents needed for a bank loan application. Your clients will love you for making this easier. Prompt number 14, write an email to update a client about changes in tax law affecting their business. This positions you as proactive and knowledgeable. Prompt number 15, create a monthly accounts receivable checklist to track overdue payments. Stay ahead of cash flow problems. Prompt number 16, draft an email to introduce yourself as a new accountant to a client and explain your role. First impressions matter, and ChatGPT makes it effortless. Prompt number 17, generate a checklist for preparing financials before an external audit. Essential for firms working with larger clients. Prompt number 18, write an email summarizing quarterly financial performance for a non-financial audience. Clear, client-friendly summaries with zero jargon. Prompt number 19, create a checklist for year-end closing procedures. A classic, but easily overlooked if you don't have it written down. And finally, prompt number 20, draft an email to congratulate a client on achieving financial milestones while also suggesting next steps. Professional, personal, and a great way to strengthen your client relationships, and that's the full list. 20 ChatGPT prompts accountants can use right away for checklists and emails. Now here's the best part. You don't have to write them down. I've put the full copy and paste list in the description below so you can grab them and start using them today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe to AI PromptTV, and turn on notifications because we've got dozens more prompt lists coming for every profession. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.